use the same key. You can open the laser cabinet key, the cabinet door. And when you open the laser cabinet door, you can see those protection foams we just fix for protecting the laser tube. Before doing anything, you have to remove these foams. You can cut these ties from here and there and remove these center foams, and then secure and position the laser tube in the right position. For placing the tube in the right position, on the right side of the tube, as you can see, there is some positioning piece of acrylic. What you have to do, there is some opening notch here and there is some knob here. You have to place the knob exactly in the slot and slide the tube all the way to the right side. And as you can see here, this notch and the knob just placed inside together, and it's already just slide all the way to the right, and this is the right position for the tube. Then the next step is to just secure the tube on the place. In order to secure the tube in the place, using the Allen screws you provided in the toolbox, and open these screws here and just bring down these brackets and tighten it to the laser stands. So the screws has to be tightened all the way down. So since it's exactly the right size of the laser tube diameter, so you just have to tighten it all the way down. As soon as it's reached to the down, just it's enough, and you don't have to just very over tighten it. You have to do the same thing on the other side. Just open the screw. Bring down the bracket. And tighten the screw all the way down. So the water tube connections for the cooling the tube, and also the power connection to the tube has already connected. You don't need to do anything else. Just should be careful while the machine is operating. You always has to keep this door closed, because there is some high voltage here connected to the tube, which is very dangerous.